In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type chur first in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get that clean, professional-looking raised ST that you see in polished designs, and you'll understand what to do if it doesn't appear automatically. Start by opening your project in Canva and clicking into the text box where you want to type. Simply type the characters 1, S, and T as you normally would. In many cases, Canva will recognize this as an ordinal and automatically format the EST as a superscript. You'll see it shrink slightly and lift above the baseline so it reads like a proper first. This is the fastest method, and it works well with a lot of the common fonts in Canva. If nothing changes when you type first, don't worry. That usually means the font you're using doesn't support automatic ordinal formatting, or auto-formatting isn't applied for that style. You can still get the exact same look with a quick manual adjustment. First, select just the letters CC in your text. Then, look at the toolbar across the top of Canva. Click the Advanced Settings, and then choose More Settings. In the panel that opens, find the Formatting or Text Position options. You'll see an option labeled Superscript. Click that, and the selected ST will immediately raise and reduce in size to match the standard superscript style. That's all you need to do. If you accidentally apply superscript to the whole word, just undo or reselect only the Yeti ST and apply superscript again. And if you change your mind later, you can return to the same menu and set the text position back to normal. A quick note on consistency. If you switch fonts partway through your design, the automatic superscript might behave differently. If the ST reverts to regular text, simply reapply the superscript using the same More Settings panel. This same approach works for other ordinals too, like second and third, so you can keep your formatting consistent across headlines, captions, and labels. For a polished result, check how the superscript looks at the size you're using. If it feels too small or too tight to the number, you can slightly adjust the overall text size or letter spacing until it reads clearly. Finally, give your design a quick preview to make sure the superscript looks good at the scale you'll share or print it. And that's it. Type first, let Canva auto-format it if your font supports it, or use the superscript option in advanced settings for full control.